11 common Czech phrasal verbs for daily use. Hello. Today, we'll explore 11 common Czech phrasal verbs that are both practical and easy to use in everyday life. From travel to daily tasks, these verbs will help you express yourself clearly and confidently. 1. Check in. Meaning, to register at a hotel or airport. Example, we need to check in at the hotel by 3 p.m. 2. Check out. Meaning, to look at or examine something. Example, check out this new restaurant downtown. 3. Check on. Meaning, to see if someone is okay or if something is working properly. Example, can you check on the kids in the other room? 4. Check off. Meaning, to mark items on a list as completed or verified. Example, I checked off all the tasks on my to-do list before leaving work. 5. Check for. Meaning, to look for or identify something specific. Example, always check for typos before you send an important email. 6. Check over. Meaning, to examine something carefully for mistakes or problems. Example, before signing the contract, check over the terms and conditions. 7. Check up on. Meaning, to monitor or see if something or someone is as expected. Example, I'll check up on my little sister later to make sure she's doing her homework. 8. Check into. Meaning, to investigate or gather more information about something. Example, the company is checking into the customer complaints they received. 9. Check back. Meaning, to return later to see if something has changed or been completed. Example, check back tomorrow to see if the results are available. 10. Check with. Meaning, to ask someone for confirmation, advice, or permission. Example, I'll check with my boss to confirm the meeting time. 11th, check through. Meaning, to search or examine a group of items carefully. Example, I'll check through my emails to find the message you're talking about. Phrasal verbs like these make your English sound more natural and fluent. By incorporating these Czech phrasal verbs into your vocabulary, you can handle a variety of situations with ease, whether you're traveling, working, or simply having a conversation. Keep practicing, and remember, every new word or phrase you learn is another step closer to mastering English. Thank you.